Guys, look at all this rain outside. Just look at that. Look at that rain. That is insane. Holy crap. Dad,
What?
can I go show them what it's like outside so they can see a better view of it?
Stay in the carport.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Holy crap. Guys. Holy crap. Guys, I need to get my bike out of here. Oh my god. Guys. Like. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to put you down a sec. Hold on. Okay, guys, look at that. Look at all that. Guys, like, are you serious? This is insane. Go look out front. Look. Oh. Oh my gosh. There should be thundering right now. Oh, we need to see the pool, guys. Okay. I'm gonna go out and see. Watch the next part. The Crazy Rain, part 2.